What is web routing in Python web development? Have you ever wondered how a web application knows what to show you when you type in a specific web address? That's where web routing comes into play. Web routing in Python web development is all about connecting those web addresses, known as uniform resource locators, to specific functions in your Python code. When you visit a URL, the routing system figures out which function should respond to that request and what content to display. In popular Python web frameworks like Flask and Django, routing is a key concept. It acts as a bridge between the requests from your web browser and the backend logic that processes those requests. For instance, if you enter www.example.com/hello in your browser, the routing system will trigger the function linked to the hello root, and you will see the response generated by that function. Flask routing is done using a special tool called a decorator. You will often see the @appRoot decorator used to bind a URL path to a function, which is known as a view function. When someone accesses that URL, Flask runs the corresponding function and sends back whatever that function returns as an HTTP response. This routing can handle different types of requests, such as retrieving data or submitting forms, making it flexible for various interactions. Django operates similarly but organizes routes in a URL configuration file. This file maps URL patterns to either functions or classes that handle the requests. Django also allows for more advanced routing features, like using regular expressions to capture parts of the URL and pass them to the views. Routing is essential for creating user-friendly URL and structuring your application logic in a clear way. It helps manage user navigation, processes from submissions, and builds application programming interfaces where different request types correspond to different actions on resources. In essence, web routing in Python web development connects URL to Python functions that generate responses. This mechanism is vital for developing dynamic web applications using frameworks like Flask and Django. Understanding how routing works will significantly help you in building any web application with Python.